This is the 2025 Save Our Waters Week Kayak Tour hosted by the district at Three Sisters Spring. I'm Dr. Madison Trowbridge. I'm the spring scientist here at the district. Save Our Waters Week is a way for the community to get together to learn more about our waterways, including our springs, in order to promote education.
We are at our first stop. So over here is a treatment wetland.
The wetland treatment project takes stormwater from the city of Crystal River. The plants will uptake the nutrients, which will then help to remove the nutrients from the water before it gets to Crystal River Kings Bay system.
I want to find out about Save the Waters. I'm conscientious, and I think we really need to work on taking care of our earth.
Behind me you'll see some shoreline that has rocks behind it as well as some plants.
One of the issues identified on the Three Sisters Springs property was shoreline erosion. The erosion was caused by many different natural factors, including manatee grazing. There were restoration projects done to prevent that shoreline erosion. The shoreline helps to improve the water quality.
The tour is wonderful. I probably would not have done this by myself, so I'm glad they offered this. I'm learning a lot. The people are great, very knowledgeable.
By engaging district staff with members of the public, not only do they get to meet the people behind the scenes that get to work on these projects and help protect our springs, but it also helps to promote awareness of the different projects that we do at the district and how people at home and while recreating help protect our springs.
I think the tour was excellent. I think we only lived here for 2 years, and I think everybody that visits down here or lives down here should take the tour. It's very educational.
Highly recommended. I love it. I'm so glad. I wasn't sure if I was going to come today, but I'm certainly happy that I did.
Working together, we can help find the right balance of solutions to help protect our water bodies. For more information about protecting our springs, visit watermatters.org/springs.